So I'm going to show you how I go about planning a layout. The quote that I'm doing is a quote by Charlotte Bronte. It says, "I try to avoid looking forward or backward, try to keep looking upward." So you will need some paper, a pencil and a rubber. Then if you get overly excited, you may need a sharpener too. Let's see how we go. And I basically just start by writing out really quickly in my just normal messy handwriting. The quote says, "I try to avoid looking forward or backward and try to keep looking upward." Now I'm just seeing if there are any words that I want to stand out more, thinking maybe forward, backward and upwards. Oh, look. Wonder. That is turning into a bit of an arrow. So I've got something that I can work on there. So I'll just do a little one and just see if that is going to work. I think it could work. To make sure that looks like an O. So actually forwards here, I want to make sure backward is coming, and I can use that to give me the corner maybe. Get my oar in here, so maybe if I make this, I'll keep that and maybe put my oar in there and make that a small A. Okay, so now I've definitely got something that I think works, so I've just got to really work on my letters and what's going to fit together nicely. So make sure that's all centered. Now, I can start to make sure my letters are coming into this space. So I've gone just hard there where I'm like, actually, yeah, I think that will work. Okay, so now I'm going to add some colour to the design onto card and put in my thick and thin strokes. So what I have also done is I've just been having a look at it and I've made this try sort of fit across here a bit more, and I also quite liked how this capital A looked, so I've gone over all of the other A's in the piece just so that they're all capitals and it's this sort of arrow that's always pointing up. So I'm going to use a light pad so that I can see my design through the card. I'm going to use a Pental Touch, and then I'm also going to use some green ink. So I've got blue pen, green ink, and I'm going to do some colour blending. So just working over my design. Now I can make any sort of changes that I want to as I go along.